love. Just because we're in our teens. Tell them all, please tell them it's not fair to take away my only dream. Oh, I cried tonight, my tears for you, my tears are all in vain. Oh, I hope and I pray that maybe someday you'll be back in my arms once again. Someone help me. Help me, please. Is the answer of the bell. How can I tell? This is not a puppy love. I gotta sing puppy love, right? My song. You know, I have been so fortunate to have enjoyed a very long career in show business, thanks to people like you who've supported me throughout the years, so thank you very much, thank you. But you know, putting this show together was a big challenge, because what parts of my 6 decades of show business do you squeeze into a 90-minute show? What do you leave out, right? And here's the challenge I had. These are true stories, you guys. I was walking out of this store. This little 8-year-old girl sees me and goes, "Oh, you're the peacock." I was the first masked singer as a peacock in the States. And then a couple weeks after that, this college student sees me. He says, "Hey, I know who you are. You're Joseph from Joseph and the Amazing Technicolor Dreamcoat." So, having said that,